I've seen a few patients who have wheezing when they have some foreign object stuck in their airway. Yeah, some people, for example, when they eat, right, they have choking episode. So this choking episode can also trigger wheezing if the foreign body dislodged into the airway. I've seen quite a few patients with foreign body problem, for example, fish bone or chicken bone, yeah, stuck into their airway, causing them to have very bad wheezing. Some patients even have some shilling or some pin or some ball pen cap stuck into their airway, causing them to have wheezing sound. So these are the cause of wheezing sound, yeah, apart from the inflammation infection. Yeah, foreign body is actually one of the commonest cause of wheezing sound, especially among children. Yeah, so be very careful when you have wheezing problem.